pixel art effect in Cinema 4D in less than 3 minutes. I'm gonna show you now how it's super easy. Let's open new file. For example, we need a cube. First of all, we don't need a redshift here. We need a standard renderer. Okay, we have a cube now. First thing we need to do is go to output and turn off anti-aliasing, like completely off, maybe even this to 0. So now when we render, you will see that there is no anti-aliasing and the edge is like jagged, like pixel art. But for it to look more like pixelated, we just need to decrease the resolution. And I usually do it by 8. So we just can render it out now. So yeah, and now you have this pixel art effect. Then you can do some, I don't know, some animation. For example, can set the key here, and then here. So after that, you go to output, set all frames, and you do the rendering. It's super fast, like renders very fast, and then you have this pixelated effect. The only problem that we have is that our frame, which we rendered, is very small. But what you can do is you can save these frames and then just do upscale, like batch upscale in Photoshop, or you can write a script or something, and you're gonna have a full HD or 4K or whatever resolution you need. You just need to use the upscale, which doesn't add any smoothing. I think it's called nearest neighbor algorithm in Photoshop, and it's gonna work. Yeah, and obviously you can also use some lights from the standard renderer. For example, the spotlight, and we can do shadows as well, like ray traced hard shadows. Then you render it and you have the same pixelated look just with the lights, so you can have more lights, etc. So yeah, this is super easy. Try it yourself.